It's not my coat.
Alright, well he's busy, so just throw that one on for right now. Oh,
Brady, you have my coat.
okay. Just put that one on.
I can do it a little bit, and then you can do it when it's going to fall over if you want.
No.
All over you.
How do I play with it?
Oh, that's right. Did you have the code on?
I'll take pictures.
Let me do a couple, and then you can do the rest.
No.
Don't get
I
too
just need to
nasty.
move all this
Yeah,
stuff.
30 or 300 you took.
There you go. It looks weird. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Did you get a picture of him? He'd probably like to have a picture of himself cutting the tree down. Go around on the other side and get a picture.
Brady, here, do you want a picture of you cutting down the tree?
It's all right.
Brady, look here and smile. Brady, smile. No.
He's working.
I'm taller than you.
You do a little
getting
bit,
close.
and you do more.
No.
You got a long way to go. I can help you. I can't do it all without you.
I feel like I don't know.
Hey, wait, you get on the other side and we just go back and forth.
Yeah, let me just do a little bit on this side.
What if he gets it just to almost the end and you finish it?
Okay, that's good. That's good.
Just line them up.
Here, Brady. Brady, here.
Did yours bind it all, Dave?
Did I what?
Did yours bind up?
Wait, Daddy.
Is that better, Brady?
Brady.
Go ahead, Brady, cut.
You want my coat?
Owen.
I seriously don't care, Owen.
Owen, it's okay, honey. Let's wait till
But
we
I
get the
hate
tree down
Brady's
and you can
coat.
change. Just wait.
Brady's coat
Is
stinks.
that working?
No.
We have trouble with yours bind, yours saw getting stuck, Dave.
Come on.
Too boring. Brady's
Owen, come here,
All
look.
right, Brady, let me have a turn.
No, you don't. Owen, Daddy, do it again. Daddy,
Do what?
do it again. Lost. Lost it. Lost.
You want to make it easier?
No, you're not gonna make it easier. You actually made it harder.
All right, fine. We'll be back in a couple hours.
We'll be back.
Bring you some lunch.
Want some help or not?
No, I don't want any help.
You have it in the groove yet?
No. I'd rather restart.
No, don't restart it. Get it in the groove.
There's no way to.
There you go. There it is.
Careful, oh.
Wait, stop, child.
How did his extraction do? It was good. He did really good with it. Silly boy. They told me how to take it easy. Oh, I remember they did. He was on the phone. He was playing hockey.
Hey, Brady, let me do it for a second.
Hockey and the kids got home. I was like,
She's going on it, buddy. It's impossible. Dave's going to help us. Dave's going to help us. Get it stuck, you know? I'll do it for a second, Brady, and then you can do it.
Hey, do you want me to like push it?
I'm pushing.
Oh, you are? You're not such.
it's nice to know it's not our kids too. But she does it in a nice way. Others would just be nasty about it. Owen!
No, Brady.
Wait, I had to look the timber. I want to take a video of the timber on Brady's phone.
Take a video of the timber?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hurry up, I want to see the
Oh,
timber.
I think you got
I'm not sure
time.
this blade is very good. It's not even.
Don't be making fun. Do you want me to go get another saw?
It's
Daddy wanted me to take pictures of DJ up in the air.
It smells like you're cutting it.
That's the burning.
You know you're not allowed to take
Brady.
pictures. Let's see how many you
Brady,
did
I
yet.
told him to. I thought you'd like to have some.
He took like 15,000 pictures. Did not.
50.
I took like 5.
322 pictures. Hey, look, DJ's up in the air. And he's like gripping onto Daddy.
You gotta be kidding me. That's a great hug. I took
Don't
5
leave them all though, hon. You might want a couple of them when you were helping.
5.
There you go, Haley. There
I
you
said
go.
I was taking pictures. And then it was like, I don't care.
It's not even.
All right, you want me to go get another saw, hon?
Let stuff dry.
You want me to try?
Huh?
You want me to drive?
Sure.
I'll try. He's cutting it.
Abby,
Stop!
you just smacked the camera. Fine, I'll delete it.
Oh, Dad, you're cutting it.
Smells good. There should be a new Bath and Body Works.
I wonder what
Hand
trees
sanitizer.
those are over there.
Thank you, hon.
They're sporadic few, you know.
Not very. I started again.
Very random.
He's in the
They have
middle.
some up there too.
middle?
That always
Alright.
left.
No, not.
Yeah, they'll be
Not even
pretty
close.
A
Just
lot
like
of people were
kick
driving
it
in
many
with trees on
times.
top. Yeah, there was.
Now
I wonder if they were here also. Husbands didn't look too busy. when we
Now
drove
he's
by.
in I'll try.
I think that might still just been a little early. Some of them maybe a little later because it's got busier deer now. But
See that, Brady? Can you do it now?
If I could just get under, I'd probably be able to go faster. Yeah, Brady, you do it.
Abby, move.
Alright, here, let's switch.
could be right
And I'll
after.
come on that side.
They have
Look out, Brady. Let me do it for a second. Then you get to take it when it comes down. Alright?
We'll bring it things out. Ring.
They have a chainsaw up there.
One of those at home too. Yeah.
Dad's mad, but you're getting. Now Dad's in the middle.
But this is part of it.
Oh,
Alright, Brady.
Timber!
it's looking
Come on,
close.
Brady.
Oh my God, get timbered! I forgot!
Not right there.
No, don't go down
DJ,
there.
you're gonna get hit by the tree.
Okay,
All right, Brady, go for it.
Ready?
I think it's timbered on.
Look out,
No,
Owen.
wait.
Oh, wait. Okay, now I'm at the point I can barely cut anymore.
Ready?
Is somebody standing behind there?
Yeah, both of them.
Back.
That's
DJ,
fine.
over to the side. There you go.
Timber!
Close.
So close!
Keep going.
I'm looking for an angle. Timber!
You tired? Almost there. Couple more.
Timber!
I hear it going.
Timber! 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 Let me just do this. Oh, wait.
Owen, come on. Close, buddy.
When it falls. The secret's not to push too hard, just to go fast
Lean
back
in.
and forth.
DJ, look at the top. Timber!
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 Cool. Now you can cut it off.
It's down. That's impossible.
Here, you gotta do it this way. There's one.
Just pull it. Just pull it.
Isn't that the cutest thing, a Christmas tree?
Congratulations, tree. You lost your foot.
That's gonna get a little stuck.
God. Can't get it out. Let me see.
Oh, I see the problem.
Here, let
Come
me
down the root.
try.
Yeah.
Here, Daddy, let me try.
There you go.
Now look at me.
Yeah.
Stupid tree.